step out of the car, okay, real quick. Yeah, hey, whoa, stop! Hey, he's going! Show me your fucking hands! What happened?
Right, jeans pocket, Officer Mobile.
Gun underneath. I got a gun. Whatever you guys got to do to not put that stuff.
On January 2nd, 2023, a routine traffic stop took an unexpected turn when a driver initially pulled over but suddenly sped away as officers attempted to search his vehicle. Bodycam footage captures the aftermath of the cross-state pursuit as officers took the suspect into custody and uncovered evidence that made the situation far more serious than a simple traffic stop.
You give him a call back.
Whoa! Hey, Officer Ricky with the Des Moines Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you, the plate that's on your vehicle, it's unreadable because you got another plate thing around it. I can't see what state the car's from. Tennessee? Okay. Do you have your driver's license with you? Is this a rental or are you from Tennessee, sir? Tennessee? What brings you up here?
Hey, visiting a friend of mine. I'm on the way to the house now.
Okay. Where's that at?
Right here on Southwest 9th.
On Southwest 9th?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a crazy question. You normally just have cash laying around in your car like this?
Yeah,
do you?
That's right.
Yeah, it looks like you got a lot of stuff in your pocket there, too. I mean, is that? How much cash do you have on your person right now?
$500.
$500?
Yeah, I work.
Man, it looks like more than $500, man. I'm just asking, I'm just curious.
Sometimes I'm like, shoot, you could go for us.
That's like a couple grand almost, man. No? Don't believe in banks or what?
Yeah, I do.
Seen you. There it is. Perfect. All right. And you have the registration for the vehicle as well? Perfect, thank you. Insurance on here as well, or how's that work for Tennessee?
It should be on mine.
I know there's some stuff that we get returns from out-of-state plates, some things we don't.
Okay.
All right. All right, hang tight for me real quick. What's your first name again?
Leonard.
What's that?
Leonard.
Leonard? All right, hang tight for me, Leonard, all right? Shit, that guy's got like 5 grand cash on.
Hey, partner. Hey, you're just talking to my partner, Officer Ricky. So what's going on tonight? Nothing? I got you. Where are you coming from?
Coming from the Ivy right there. I was on my way to my girlfriend's house.
Oh, gotcha. Where's your girlfriend live?
Right here on Southwest 5015 right on Sunburst Park.
Oh, the Sunburst?
Yeah.
Gotcha. What, building A, B, C, or D?
A.
Oh, building A. Okay, I gotcha. Just going to have a quiet night tonight, or? Yeah. So you're coming from Hy-Vee, pick up any groceries or anything? Pick up any groceries at the Hy-Vee or anything?
No, I was going in there to check on some stuff.
Oh, check on some stuff? Gotcha. Maybe you should have went to the bank, deposit some of that money. Jeez, though.
Yeah.
I think that's the first time I've seen anybody carry around that much cash.
I'm trying to figure out, like, what's the problem, though? Y'all talking to me like it's uncommon or something.
I gotcha.
Tell me what medic unit transported my victim.
You do like construction, get paid by cash, or what?
Yeah, I do like construction. This is my guy here I work with right here.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, he called me right now. He looking for me.
He's looking for you?
Yeah, we work together.
Oh, why is he looking for you?
Huh? We supposed to be going out.
Oh, he's supposed to be going out?
Yes.
Gotcha. So you and your girlfriend going out, or?
Yeah, with me, him, and my girlfriend, his girlfriend.
Gotcha. Oh, it's your ID?
Yeah, that's my driver's license. I just gave him the card, but that's the driver's license. It was in my it was up under my Social Security card.
Homeowner.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Copy.
From Memphis, I see.
Memphis, Tennessee.
Gotcha. How long you lived down there for?
I lived in Memphis since 2019.
Gotcha. You like it down there?
Yeah, I'm from Chicago, but I moved down with my dad. And I moved down here with my girlfriend, Larissa, right here.
Gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, my fiance is from Chicago, so we go there quite often to see her family. It's a nice city.
You pulled me over because some case thing around my paper on this?
Yes, well, in the state of Iowa, the license plate has to be legible from a certain distance, and nothing can be obscuring it. So, like the state, right? The state name has to be able to be legible from a distance, and unfortunately, that plate placard covers up where it's from, so you can't even see the state, the registration, all that stuff. So, yeah.
2,884.
But, all right, Leonard. Hey, give me a quick second. I'll be right back with you. All right.
All right. Thanks.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, so he's probably got close to $2,000 cash in his pocket in random amounts. And he had cash sitting on the center console, too, as I pulled it over. About a $100 bill and a couple of 20s just sitting there.
Copy. Based off the short term of the stop, the cash that we can see in plain sight, and his nervousness, we're going to say that's enough to pull him out of the vehicle. Keep him calm, and we'll help search the car.
Copy.
Here's the idea if you need it. He is nervous.
I know, we're going to get him out. I think you guys get him out.
Hey, buddy, I'm going to have you step out of the car, okay, real quick.
What?
Yeah, hey, whoa, stop. Hey, he's going.
He's out. Hey. 1080 eastbound.
We are southbound, southbound.
Southbound, southeast 4 from Phillips.
Westbound McKinley from southeast 4.
Westbound McKinley from southeast 4.
Get out of the car! Show me your fucking hands! What happened? Somebody get me with him, please. I got my gun out.
400 block of McKinley. 400 block of McKinley. He crashed. Get him in custody.
400.
They're taking him into custody. Looks like he's the only one in the vehicle. You don't need a whole traffic.
Yeah, we're good.
Slow down. Holding traffic in the 400 block of McKinley, taking one into custody. Again, assuming normal traffic.
You good, bro?
You good?
No, we're good.
Sit up.
5230.
How'd you do that, bro?
Looks like just west of
How'd you do that?
I know why.
Yeah, hit a range. Wanted to start medic. Check him out. Let me throw for second
I'm also
call.
proud with the Des Moines narcotics, okay?
We'll start medics in pro.
You okay? Let them know we got plenty of cars.
Hey, we got a fire.
We got plenty of people here.
Hey, Stern, fire.
Fire truck, car start to smoke.
Actual fire.
It was an actual fire?
Yeah, go ahead and sit him out.
Get up, brother. We're going to away from the car. You got a fire? Here we go. I got one in the back.
And the 400 block of McKinley.
I got one in the back.
Slow your response down. Again, all units not unseen in the 450. Go ahead, sir.
Bring him up here.
Car's on fire. We're trying to get it put out.
Right here.
Car's on fire. Copy.
me pat him down real quick.
503, I'm pulling up. 503 pulling up.
But he's got quite a bit of cash. Yeah, I got it over here. Yeah,
Everybody's out of it too. Fire has been extinguished and everybody is out of the vehicle and okay, copy.
Hey, can you grab an evidence bag real quick?
Yeah, I'll get it. Hey, partner. I'm all traveling in narcotics unit. We're going to have medics come and get you checked out, but...
Right there?
Okay. You didn't swallow anything? Sir, you didn't swallow anything like that, did you?
Got that.
You concerned about getting to the hospital and getting anything out of you? You didn't ingest any narcotics or anything like that? Okay. If you did, just be honest with us so we can get you the right treatment. I don't want to see anything happen to you. Okay? Fair enough? Okay. Are you okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Back, left pocket.
Where was all this at?
Front,
332
pocket,
out of
all of it? Yep. And then Noble's got one over there with probably a couple thousand.
Alright, you just hold that there. Let me grab
Fire resetting, copy.
I just don't want it to blow away.
Yep.
Guys, put it in here.
Yep.
For a minute. We're going to put this car for a minute. For a minute. Alright, Leonard, have a seat.
Whole lot. Yeah, that seemed like a rush.
Can you turn this way, bud? Give me a light. Yep.
Dispatch the item. See where they end up. 400 block of McKinley Avenue. Again, the 400 block of McKinley Avenue. Copy that. Send it to me.
Alright, we're good.
Copy.
Alright. You have all the stuff that was in his other pocket? Yep. Bring it up here on your camera and you stay right here. Yep. That was...
Unit 38, can you see if narcotic supervisors on the air, they were still on 4 week?
Alright. This was where?
49 over
That was front left jeans pocket.
Copy. Unit 38. Unit 38, redirect.
Officer AC pulled it out. Front left jeans.
Yep, I got it, thanks.
Yeah, this on the driver's seat.
Yeah, all units not Go ahead, sir.
We got the fire put out.
Fire has been
What's up, bud? We're on the south side, they said. Yep.
What do you have? You've got baggies right here. Some cat and Okay. FD will give me the thing.
Fire is back on again. Hey, start getting more fire extinguishers out of your cars, please. No, because it keeps starting back up again. Yeah.
He's wrecked right here. I know, but he also went
AIR.
around the block. He didn't
I didn't see anything get out of the car.
driver's side window is there.
Yep.
AIR and whatever.
No, nothing.
Nothing?
Nope.
He had this right here as well. Oh, he's got a gun. Hey, give me your body camera.
Here.
Yeah, gun underneath. I got a gun. Unit 38. Unit 38. Something hiding for a firearm. In a bag.
Dispatch the item.
Got that.
Where they end up.
Oh, you bet.
400 block of McKinley. 400 block of McKinley.
Where'd this come from?
Hickey grabbed it. We got Matt. We got a little bit of everything.
These guys work in your stop car? Is that what you guys
Copy.
Yeah. That's what it was. Okay. Let Headland take care of it all.
Yeah. I was wondering where they come up with idents, and I thought, hey, is he coming here?
Who's that?
Working Headland?
Yeah, he's right there. Here you go, buddy.
Can you see if narcotic supervisors on the air? He's right here. All right, we got
Front right jeans pocket, Officer Noble.
Condom drop.
29 over here. Hey, Hickey, where did you pull this out of?
It was sitting on the driver's seat, on the left side of it. Yeah, it keeps starting in the front. It's We're good. We're good. Just keep those out in case I need them.
I left mine in the.
We have Leonard Logan.
Backseat of my car, behind the driver's seat. There's a bunch of them. Yeah, backseat of my car on the driver's side. It kept popping up in the middle there.
Okay.
Yeah, the one that's right up on this car. What's that? No. He's not in there. I thought somebody was asking for evidence bags.
Yeah, where's the bad guy?
He's right there.
Oh.
I think we should go do it.
You got bags or no? Who's bags?
Yeah.
I got bags.
Well, I'll go get ours. Ours are a little bit. Not that you guys are bad, but they're easier to find.
Not that I could see, but I was paying attention to him driving because he was kind of driving like a dumbass. So when we hit Phillip and shit, like he wasn't able to toss anything. I was on him the whole time there, so I didn't see anything come out.
McKinley would have been.
McKinley would have been it.
But I mean, with the bag full of dopes in the car and his guns in the car.
Does he still have the thousands of dollars of cash on him too?
Okay.
I think it's pretty well done now. It's off now. We do have narcotics and stuff all over the car, so whatever you guys got to do to not with that stuff.
What do you need, pal?
You got it? Hey, you could probably cancel test.
Good work, man.
You know,
As soon as you reached in to grab him, he was just like,
yeah, you start touching the fucking the gear shifter, so I was like, I'm not going to touch it. We just,
I thought about when you were walking back up there, I thought about pulling in front of him because I just had a weird feeling that.
I literally told Hasty, I'm like, my luck, because everybody runs from me. This guy's I'm gonna have a chase tonight at some point.
Well, you did a good job. We're gonna run back to the hotel room and talk to that guy you met with.
Okay.
Pratt's gonna stay here, help you process all the evidence, and then once we get cleaned up here, we'll probably just go back to our office and work our paperwork.
All right.
So Pratt will keep you in the loop.
Just make sure, just have Pratt back this whole thing as it is, and we'll split it up down.
You good?
Hey, I'm going to go back with them. They're going to make contact with the motel. All right. And then if we get done with that, I'll swing back over. And
I see. You remember when I was up there and he was sitting kind of funny in the seat?
Yeah.
Is that why? He had a gun.
Oh.
Yeah, he's got a gunner.
Yeah. Just so he was sitting funny the whole time when we were up with him.
Yeah.
Probably.
The driver was arrested following the pursuit and later faced multiple felony charges, including resisting law enforcement with a vehicle, reckless driving, and possession of narcotics. What began as a routine traffic stop escalated into a cross-state pursuit that ended with a much more serious criminal investigation.